Jenna, as you were talking about, more than a dozen states are back to business this week at various levels. Restaurants, they too have new guidelines for dine-in, 6 or less people per table. Employees must wear masks, have temperature checks, and of course, social distancing guidelines is in effect everywhere.
6 states, Arkansas, Colorado, Minnesota, Mississippi, Montana, and Tennessee all launched limited reopenings today.
This was something, like I said, hit our community like a bomb when it hit. And people would die one after another. It's scary to me, and I said something to some of the people, why you don't have masks on.
Fowler lives in Georgia, which has lifted restrictions from places like barbershops, gyms, theaters, and now dine-in restaurants. Alaska, South Carolina, and Oklahoma are also getting back to business. States like Maryland, though, put the brakes on plans after seeing its deadliest day over the weekend.
I want to get our economy back open just as soon as we can, but I want to do so in a safe way.
Michigan also extended its stay-at-home order to mid-May.
We know that no one wants a second wave. It would be devastating for the health of our people and for our economy. And so we've got to be really smart as we re-engage.
We have to be smart, because if you are not smart, you will see that infection rate go right back to where it was. We'll be right back to where we were.
New York Governor Cuomo announced a plan to reopen without setting a date as deaths there approach 17,000. Dr. Deborah Burke says social distancing will be with us through the summer. Also returning to work are first responders and essential employees who recovered from COVID-19.
And that was the scariest thing for me, returning back to work. I'm like, I don't want to get sick again, but it's like, this is my job, so I had to.
Now, while more than 100,000 people have recovered from COVID-19 right here in the country, the big question does remain is, can you get infected again? Well, Dr. Anthony Fauci says that if you've had it, there's a 99% chance that you cannot catch it again. Jenna?